Okay, here we have at least 100-year-old window, and it's needing some TLC. As you can see, the glazing is just falling out, so the glazing will have to be replaced without breaking the glass all the way around, and then it'll have to be painted and reinstalled. Okay, this is a utility knife, and what this is called is a rhino blade, because what you want to avoid doing is pushing down onto the glass. You'd rather slide it along the edge and try not to hit the glass any harder than you have to. Okay, now we're to the point where we're putting the new glass in the window and glazing it. So when you get your glass set up in the hole, you want to put a couple of glazing points in to make sure the glass is secure. And they just slide right in with a screwdriver. Try not to put too much pressure on the glass, just enough to hold it there. And then you're going to get to the puttying part, which is put more in than you need. So we're going to just do a line here where it's nice and easy, and you just force it in with your finger. Try to get it as far down under the glass as you can, if there's a space around the edge. So after you get the glazing gooped in, just any kind of a flexible putty knife. And then what you want to do is try to find where the corner of the window frame is underneath, and just push down and pull, and then it gets nice and smooth and straight. And then out the corner. And then just carry on around the window.